Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma mockup. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You'll want to select a frame that matches your target device, perhaps an iPhone 15 or a desktop screen. Then, gather all your visual assets like logos, images, and icons, and import them into your file. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design process, ensuring everything is ready before you start building your layout. Now, let's add some user interface elements. Utilize basic shapes and text tools to construct your layout. For elements you'll use repeatedly, like buttons or navigation bars, create reusable components. This saves time and ensures consistency across your design. Pay close attention to your color palette and typography, making sure they align with your brand and provide a clear visual hierarchy for users. Once your design is taking shape, it's time to bring it to life with prototyping. Connect your different frames to simulate how a user would navigate through your application. Add subtle animations, like a slide-in or fade-out, to make transitions feel natural and engaging. After setting up your interactions, thoroughly test your prototype to identify any usability issues or areas for improvement before moving forward. Finally, it's time to share your hard work. Figma makes it easy to share your mockup with clients or team members, allowing them to view and comment directly on your design. Actively gather their feedback. It's invaluable for refining your mockup and ensuring it meets all requirements. And speaking of fresh, if you want your car to smell amazing, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Incorporating feedback is key to a successful final product.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.